Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there and welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to explore the Zoom feature. So let's get right into it. So what is it about the Zoom feature and what exactly is the Zoom feature? Look at this picture right here. How about if I told you that you can actually look back, zoom out? And here we have an example. So the first one was that, and now we zoomed out a little bit and we have a little bit more view of the mammoth. And then we can zoom out a little bit more to see more of the mammoth, as you can see. Now let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit more here. There you go. And then you zoom out a little bit even more or so. And you can see that we kind of see the mammoth and its surroundings. And here is the video that I talked to you about. You can actually create these videos super easily with the combination of Canva and MidJourney. And now I'm going to show you how that works. But first off, I want your full attention. Let's go back into MidJourney. So once at MidJourney, select the picture that you want to turn into a video. And here, we're going to start working on it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to zoom out. Now, you can zoom out 1.5 or 2x. In my opinion, I'm going to go for 1.5. If you want to zoom, custom zoom, you can click here on custom zoom, and you can zoom out 3 times or 4 times or whatever it is you want to zoom out. In my case, I would like to go 1.5x. So if you zoom out 1.5x, you're just going to have to wait a second until basically the image is going to be zoomed out. But in the meantime, you need to go to canva.com and you need to open up a video tab. Now, I know this is all too fast, but if you want to learn, this is the time for you to learn. Now, once you go into Canva, here, click on Create a Design. And once you have hit that button, make sure you go and select the video, which is this one, and click so that it opens up a video for you. Once you open up the video, make sure you go and take the first initial picture of the mammoth, which is going to be our base. Hit that picture, right click here on copy image. And what you need to do, go back into your Canva and just hit Control V to copy paste in the mammoth. Now, obviously, I didn't copy the mammoth because probably it didn't process the copy. So I'll have to go and do it again. And so now I think it will work. So if I hit Control V, okay, let me do it again. The mammoth is going to show up. And what you can do with this mammoth is you can right click, set the image as background. There you go. It's a landscape, so it will fit immediately. Now here, we're going to go for the picture, the unzoomed picture of the mammoth. And so click right here on the pictures, and you can see they're all pretty much the same. There's some minor differences like the sun, the way it looks. Now you can pick one of them. For me, I'm going to go with the second, the third, the second. Actually, the second is good. So I'm going to select the second one, upscale that, and I'm going to unzoom that by 1.5 yet again. And you can continue unzooming and unzooming. And we can do a reversal. We can do a reverse effect. But let's just take it step by step here. So as you can see, it's going to unzoom this picture. And we can take the picture of the mammoth by clicking on copy. And I can go right back in here. And I would like you on Canva to add another page. On that page, copy the second picture of the mammoth. Once that's done, make sure you set the image as background. So the transition from the first one to the second one, there is an unzoom. And now we need to go for this one here again, which is going to be zoomed out 1.5 again. And you need to copy an image or upscale one of these images. Now I would go for image number 2 again, upscale that, and then make sure you zoom out that one again by 1.5. And you copy this image that you zoomed out and put it inside of canva.com. Now, let me go ahead and click on copy, go back into Canva, create a new picture or a new page, Control V to paste in your mammoth. There it is, and make sure you set the image as a background image in Canva. And now we're zooming in and out. Now, why are we doing this? You're going to see at the end because we're going to have a beautiful mammoth stock video. Now I'm going to upscale the last one. We can unzoom that as well. But I think now let's go ahead and copy this and let's not zoom anymore. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this picture right here. This will be the last picture. And then I'm going to show you a trick of photography that you can actually do. So we got this unzoomed mammoth to the point where the mammoth actually looks pretty small. So what I want you to do is to click on the first picture here. And then go here at the top, edit the timing, and make sure you edit this down to 1 second. And make sure you apply to all the pages. Now, all the pages are 1 second, but we're not done yet. I want you right now to add 4 more pages. And now we're going to start zooming out. So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate, not this one, we're going to duplicate this one, right? Now, actually, I think I'm just going to go and delete the other pictures here or the other pages. Select all of them because I don't need them. And what we're going to do, we're going to click on the third page, duplicate the third page, and take that duplicate, move it here, and then go to the, not the third page, go to the second one, and duplicate that, and make sure you take it at the end. And then what you can do as well, now it wasn't taken, so I'll have to do it forcefully. Okay, so this is a little bit not good. And then the page 2, we did it. So now we'll move on to the first one, duplicate that one. And then what I want to do is to drag that one at the end. And now I want you to hover over in between the pages, click on add a transition. And we have multiple transitions. The one that I like is the dissolve transition. And I want you to click right here on dissolve, right? And then apply between all pages. But we're still not done yet, not quite. Here, we want to apply a special effect of a camera zooming out. So what I want to do, I want you to go to Elements, and I want you to go and find Camera Zoom Out. And if you hit Enter, if you go not to Videos, go to Videos, click on Shapes, and then click on Audio. Here, if we click, I want the sound of a camera zoom out. Let's click. Not this one. Actually, not even this one. So I think I'm going to have to go and basically get this from Pixabay. So I'll go to Pixabay here. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and search for camera zoom out Pixabay SFX. Now, these SFX are actually sounds of the camera zooming out, right? And it's pretty good because it's going to add the effect. Now, let's click on this one here and see. Not that. Let's click this. Well, actually, this one is good, but I want zoom out. Let's click dramatic camera zoom. Oh, not that one. This. No. Flash. Nice camera. Camera shutter. Vintage camera focusing. All right, let me go back here. And camera. Actually, I think I didn't add the zoom there, so that's why we didn't get the effects. So camera zoom, sound effect, lens sound effect. Okay, let's see now if we can find a special effect. Let's click this one. Oh, not that one. Not that one again. Well, no. Zoom. All right, we got it. So now I got this one. I'm going to download it. And I'm going to go back into Canva here. I want to do one thing. I'm going to click on the pictures. And I would actually change this to maybe 1.5 because 1 second is very low, and apply it to all the pages. And then here, what you want to do, you want to click on your downloads and you want to upload your camera focus to the uploads so that we can use it. So that if I go to audios, you can see I have it there. And what you can do, you can drag this and place it here. Now, it's not a music, so it should be placed here underneath. And what I want to do, I want to zoom in. And I'm just going to click and select this and put it in between. And then just crop it slightly because I don't want to use the entirety of it. Place it here. And now let's play this video. Right, the effect didn't play, so I have to make sure I just display the effect correctly. Let me see here. Let's see if that works now. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Right. Okay, I think from here it should work. Let's see. Let's see again. Yeah. So there you go. Now it works. So all I need to do right now is to make sure I capture that, place this a little bit in the middle, and then capture even more. Let's play it again. And now what I want to do, I want to click, and I just want to add one more right here at the end. Right, so I'm going to basically just add one more here near the end to kind of add that zoom sound again, but near the end. And let's watch our video right now, which will just look amazing. Right, so notice what happens is that you can see it's like a footage, right, of a mammoth. And this is how you can bring characters to life. Now, a hyper-realistic mammoth. And what you can do with this, you can click on the share icon, download, Now you can increase the quality if you have a pro version, and you can download this and it will immediately download as a video for you that you can utilize as part of your editing work. If you maybe are creating a movie and you're looking for a 10.5 scene of a mammoth, then this is just a picture or just a video for you, right? You can be a little bit easier on the zoom. So if you don't like to zoom by 1.5, you may be interested to zoom by 1. So there's the custom zoom here. You can zoom out by just 1 at a time, and that will zoom out a little bit slowly so that you can get the effect of the zoom out. But apart from that, I think that this is a pretty good tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.